Okay, friends, welcome back to this series of programming in C language. The place where I left you all was the program in which I just told you about the arithmetic operators, but there are certain additional things which might be coming into your mind. Till now, let us use the exe file which was generated as an output of the previous program. So let's see. Okay, and value of A and B is 14. So you get, I'm sorry, this was out of the exe which was being produced by the program earlier to the one which was produced in the previous lecture. So the reason why I'm showing this thing is that all of you might be having a question in mind that the values which are coming are just the values of the input which we had assigned to the program, but how could we assign the values to the program through keyboard? So this is a big question and needs to be answered now, because it's the right time to tell these things. So what I want to do is that I don't want to assign it the variable a and b values on my own, but I want to assign the value by the user. I want to give a chance to the user to assign the value which he wants and get an output which he desires. Okay, but in this program I'm just doing summation. You could follow the previous video and this video and make a program in which you can get the input through the keyboard of the program which I created in the previous lecture. So you know that AB. Okay, I haven't assigned any value. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to write printf statement. Oh my god, such a big lazy person I am. Okay, now edit, paste, printf. I would write enter the value uh, of a and b respectively. Okay, so this is a print, so I don't need to have these things. I'm just asking the user to please input the value of a and b as he desires. Okay, now in this particular program I would need one additional um, function, that is the scanf function. So what scanf does, it reads the input which which the user would enter from the keyboard. So just a second, friends. Okay, let me just have the syntax scanf. So and we respectively have asked, so what the user would enter two integer values, so percentile d for the first one and this percentile d for the second one. Syntax is almost similar to that of the print statement. And then one additional thing, this is the ampersand symbol which you use, and we commonly say it and, but in C programming we call it ampersand. And this is also ampersand b. Why I am including this symbol is that because I want to tell the compiler that scan, that is to read the value of that the user is entering through keyboard, and um, put it on the address of at the address of the variable a. So this symbol ampersand signifies the address, what we call it as address of A. And similarly, I would like to tell the compiler that please put the value, assign the value it to B, uh, that is, I would like the value entered by the keyboard to be put at the address of B. That's why I'm using ampersand symbol. Now both the values are there with the variables, and now the computer will sum these values up, and then it would print the sum of A and B is percentile D, so it's quite clear. Now let's save this. Okay, now again compile. Oh no error, thank you God. It was a simple program. uh, okay, it's saying okay, I have written something wrong I guess. Okay, but I'm entering the values. So 2 I've entered, and then 3 I've entered, 33 I've entered, 2 and 33 and 35. Okay, what was the mistake which I had done? Let me see the value of A and B. Okay, was a simple mistake. And B respectively, and this should have been enter the value of A and B respectively. Now I'm saving. While save, compile, and then run. Okay, okay friends, just for your convenience, I'm entering 3 and 4. Enter the value of A and B respectively, 3 and 4. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it helped.